Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about language mechanism for synchronization. What language mechanism for synchronization? Okay. So our today's topic is language mechanism for synchronization. Okay. See, concurrent processing is supported by an existing sequential language with some additional language facilities. It is more easier instead of to acquire a new concept. So this approach provides specification for of concurrent activities, synchronization of processes, inter-process communication, okay, etc. Once again, this approach provides specification of concurrent activities, synchronization of processes, and inter-process communication. Here, we will discuss some standard solution for process synchronization relevant to distributed system and how they are supported to communication issues. Okay, mainly in this section, a programming language will handle the synchronization problem with the help of various approaches. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss language constructs. Language constructs. Language, language constructs. Okay, the basic components of a common procedure programming language are as follow. First, program structure. Second, control structure. Control structure. Third, data structure. Okay, first program structure, second control structure, third data structure, fourth procedure and system calls, and system calls. Fifth, input and output. Sixth, assignments. See, first program structure, second control structure, third data structure, fourth procedure and system calls, fifth input and output, and sixth assignments. Okay. So if we talk about program structure, it specifies about the composition of program and their components like methods, procedures, blocks, okay, statements, expressions, constants, variable, etc. Okay, generally these program structure have their sequential execution. Second, control structure. This structure controls the flow of program execution. Mostly languages include single entry exit control structure like if then else, while do, etc. Other control structures like subroutine calls, returns and exits can also be included. Okay. Next, data structure. Data structure is used to define entities of the program. Selection of appropriate data structure is abstraction, and its proper implementation are the major concern. See, data structure is divided into two parts: linear and non-linear. Okay, non-linear tree and graph, linear array, stack, queue, and linked list. Okay. Yes. Next, procedure and system calls. These are several routines or system services that are used to change the execution flow and allow argument passing. Okay. Next, input and output. Any program receives input data, processes it, and produces output result after its execution. Okay. Next, assignments. They are considered as the basic operations that affect the state of program execution. Okay. So we discussed a program structure, control structure, data structure, procedures and system calls, input and output, and assignments. Okay. Now, synchronization mechanism for language construct. Okay, if the programming language constructs are used to perform process synchronization, these synchronization concepts are divided into two categories. First, shared variable synchronization. Second, message passing synchronization. Message passing synchronization. Okay. So in this section, the concurrent readers exclusive writers problem is solved using this synchronization mechanism. Okay. First, if we talk about shared variable synchronization, okay, synchronization methods and language facilities. First, semaphore. Second, monitor. Third, the conditional critical region. Fourth, serializer. Fifth, path expression. Okay, so semaphore here, shared variable and system call. Shared variable and system call. Here, data structure. Here, control structure. Here, data type and control structure. And here, data type and program structure. Data type and program structure. See, semaphore, monitor, conditional critical region, serializer, path expression, shared variable and system call, data structure, control structure, data type and control structure, data type and program structure. Okay, so this is a description regarding shared variable synchronization. Now let's discuss about message passing synchronization. Okay, synchronization methods. Here, language facility. See, communicating sequential process. Communicating sequential processes. Here, input and output. Input and output. Here, RPC, remote procedure call. Here, procedure call. And here, and procedure call and input and output. Input and output. Okay, and this is regarding message passing synchronization. Okay, so it is all about synchronization mechanism and language facilities. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much. Take care of your health.